In this video, I want to share with you some apps I have found that can enable you to make money online. By using these apps, you can actually earn up to $150 per day. You don't need any technical knowledge or skills to do this, and you can get started within minutes. There are 3 apps in total that I will be sharing with you, so make sure you do pay close attention and do not skip ahead through this video so you can learn how to make the most amount of money with these apps. With that being said, let's take a look at the first app, which is called InstaGC. With InstaGC, there are a variety of different methods to make money online which are very simple to do. Some of the tasks you can do to make money include taking surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and much more. What's great about this particular app is you can do this on a computer or a mobile device, and you can do this anywhere in the world. To get started with this website, you will first need to sign up for a free account. You can do a quick sign up using your Facebook, Twitter or Google account. Or you can complete the quick sign up form here and then click the green button to sign up and start earning money. One thing that I do want to mention is that you will actually receive 10 points straight away just for signing up, and you can convert these points for cash, and the points do add up very fast. So as I previously mentioned, you can earn money through InstaGC by completing different tasks. There are always a ton of surveys available with good payouts, and this is a great way to start making money. And also there is no limit to how many surveys you can do daily, so the sky really is the limit when it comes to how much you can earn. In addition to surveys, you can also take part in various offers. So if you click the offer wall, you will see all the offers available, which again are super simple to do. From downloading apps and software to visiting websites, the tasks are quick to do and can provide an additional stream of income. The next thing I want to talk about is the referral program, where you can actually earn points on people that you refer to the app and use it, which is absolutely great because again there is no limit. So the more people you refer that use the app, the more money you will make. So this is another great additional stream of income you can make with this website. Before we jump into the second app, if you are enjoying this video so far, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions, then feel free to drop a comment below. Alright, let's get back to the video and learn about the second app we are going to use to make money, which is called AppKarma. AppKarma is available on both Android and iOS, and it is a smartphone based app where you can earn points for answering surveys and completing of online tasks, like watching videos and earning location rewards. They also have a very generous referral program where you can earn points by referring your friends to download the app. It's completely free to download the app, but before you can start earning points, you must of course first create a free account. And to do this, all you need to do is download the app, and then once you open the app, you can fill out a short form to get signed up. You just need to enter your username, password and an email address. After completing the form, you will now be a member of AppKarma, and you will receive offers to download apps and mobile games, and each offer will also tell you the reward you will receive for completing it. This is actually the main way to earn money with this app, so if you do enjoy playing games and like the idea of being paid money to play games, then AppKarma is definitely for you. So each offer does have particular conditions that you will need to meet in order for the offer to be completed. For most of the offers, you will normally be required to download a mobile game and then play the game until you reach a specific level. Of course, this can be different, so make sure you do check the offer terms to know what you need to do in order to complete the offer fully and get paid. Once you have completed the offer, simply return to AppKarma and click the offer again to receive your reward. In addition to playing games, you can also earn rewards by watching videos. And this is very easy to do on AppKarma. Just simply navigate to the app's video section and then select the offer you would like to do. So make sure that you do watch all of the videos that will be shown, and after you've done that, you'll get the reward, and also depending on the length of video, you'll be rewarded with several points. You can also get a bonus if you join using a referral code from someone who's already a member of AppKarma. And another way to get a bonus is by inviting other people to join AppKarma. If you do invite any friends to join the platform, you'll actually receive a 30% commission from their profits. if you bring a friend to join the app and they become a member. So as an example, if they complete a task that offers 100 points, then you will receive 30 points. Every activity you do on App Karma will earn you a certain number of points, which you can convert for different rewards offered through App Karma. So you have the choice to either convert your points to cash and receive that as a PayPal payment, or what you can do is exchange your points for gift cards. And if you do want to withdraw cash through PayPal, you can choose between $10, $25 or even $50. And of course, the more money you want to withdraw, the more points you will need. For gift cards, however, you don't need to earn as many points, and for just a $5 gift card, you only need to earn 6,000 points. I'm now going to share the third app with you, which is called Cashkick. Like the previous two websites and apps, Cashkick enables you to earn money by performing simple tasks like completing surveys, watching videos and just browsing the web. As you can see here, you can get paid directly into your PayPal account, so you can be assured that any money you earn will be paid to you very fast. And to get started, it's super simple. All you need to do is come over to this section and enter your email address and choose a password, and then just go ahead and click the Get Started button. So again, this app is also available worldwide, and again, it is completely free to join. Similar to the previous two apps, you can earn cash using surveys that are provided by Cashkick and other survey providers. In fact, Cashkick actually has a complete section on their website which is dedicated to surveys, and you can come here to see all the paid surveys currently available. There is always a wide selection of surveys to complete, and there is no daily limit on how many surveys you can do. You will also see how much you will be paid for finishing each survey, as well as a rough timescale on how long each survey will take to complete. In addition to surveys, there are also paid offers that can be completed to earn additional money, and completing these in addition to the surveys is actually a great way to make money on a regular basis. The paid offers are great to do if you don't have much free time, as they are fast to complete, and also these are ideal for people who do not want to commit to doing the surveys, which can be time consuming. And Cashkick also have a referral program, so once you have signed up, you can also ask other people and your friends and family to do the same. You will earn 25% as a commission on anything that your referrals do on the website. So for example, if you have someone that does a survey that pays $5, you will receive $1.25 for doing absolutely nothing, which is just amazing. To go ahead and refer people, you will see an invitation link that you can use once you have signed up for an account with Cashkick. All you have to do is simply share this link, and when someone signs up and completes tasks, you will earn a percentage of their earnings. So unlike the other two websites, instead of earning points, you actually earn straight up cash, which makes it easier to track your balance, and as mentioned, payments are made securely by PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, then do not worry, as it is completely free to get one and very easy to set up a PayPal account. All you need to do is fill out a short form and enter an email address. And one thing I want to mention is that you only have to earn $10 to be able to cash out your earnings, and it will not take long for the money to start stacking up. What I would recommend is actually combining all three of these websites, so you can go ahead and complete all the tasks and make the most money possible with this method. Now, I do have another method where you can actually earn money just by simply typing. So if you did enjoy this video, then you are definitely going to want to check that out, and you can do that by clicking on the video that pops up on screen now. Be sure to give this video a like if you did find this valuable, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and best ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions, then do feel free to drop a comment below. I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.